Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce. This vehicle comes in the short wheelbase format and features a 77 kWh battery producing the equivalent of 204 PS. The vehicle features some excellent exterior features, starting off as the mono silver metallic paint colour. The vehicle also features a set of front parking sensors, which we can find in the front bumper. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 18-inch black steel wheels. These also come with a full wheel trim cover set. Towards the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear loading barn doors, and the vehicle also features a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up those barn doors and taking a look into the load area, there's a large amount of storage space as well as multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. This ID Buzz Cargo features twin sliding doors, allowing access from either side of the vehicle, providing more versatile options when loading and unloading the vehicle. Behind the driver's side sliding door there's also a compartment useful for storing a variety of different items. Up in the cab itself we'll find a total of 3 seats. These come finished in a lovely cloth upholstery. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This includes in-boot navigation as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel paired with some touch controls. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz Cargo Commerce. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.